Stop saying the simple stuff's easy. Long time ago, I was in the Navy. You can't do push-ups without every part of your body. From head to toe, between 1,000 and 2,000. You're like, bro, he's scraping by this 400 push-ups. Okay. Under pressure, you don't rise to the occasion. You fall to the level of your training. Could I have gone to 60? Could I have gone to 60? Most definitely. But I don't see the point. Just getting the work done, man. Just getting the work done. My intention is to hit a certain number. On days where I want to get real good slow push-ups, I do, but the sun's going down. So, it is what it is. That's a 50 piece. Same! Crack out 30. I lost count, bro. I lost count. I'm gonna call it 30. 3 minutes in. Damn. But I watched the video and the birds are going crazy right now. I watched the video. I lost count. I think I'm at 80, but I'm just going. This one, shoot for 20. If we failed before that, we failed before that. So, it'll be all right. So, let me get this 80 up on you, and you start now. You know what I'm saying? You start now, see where your push-ups are at. I've been doing push-ups for a while, but try to get 100, you know? If you follow me, you'll make it to 100 or 2. You know what I'm saying? Ain't doing nothing too crazy. We ain't even warmed up yet. Saint! Let's see what Saint's doing. basketball is his favorite sport. Why he run away with it? All right, let's do it. 20 piece. Oh, let me back up so y'all can see the work. I'm saying, like, those gotta count, right? Right? Like, what's the standard? What's the standard, Elijah? Those gotta count. I'm moving the camera, so it's not on selfie mode. You know what I'm saying? Those gotta count. We had 100. And we're about 6 minutes in. So 100 push-ups, we're 6 minutes in. Let that just kind of put it into perspective for you. Keep it simple, stupid. Hurts my feelings every time. That's from Jonathan Katz, great dog trainer, who I've trained with a good amount of times, probably a couple handful of times. Spent a good, portion of a month with this dude. Taught me a lot. And I've been to a lot of his seminars. He has some great sayings, man. One of his best sayings, and I'll either post it right now or I'll say it myself. Under pressure. Hold on, let me let this car go by. He said one of his best sayings are, under pressure, you don't rise to the occasion, you fall to the level of your training. Dramatic pause into the push-ups. 30 piece. Yeah. You don't, but back to what I was saying. Keep it simple, stupid. You keep it simple, stupid. Keep it simple, you will go far. You know, Bruce Lee says, I should have done this in the backyard, I know. There's a street right here. But Bruce Lee says, I don't fear the man who knows 1,000 kicks, but I fear the man who knows one kick, but has practiced it 1,000 times. You don't need all these workouts, bro. Especially if you're struggling, even trying to get there. You feel like you need to do some great, tremendous thing, when in reality, you just gotta show up. Just show up. It's not hard. Well, it can be for some people, but you just show up. Next thing you know, every workout, every push-up, you're gaining more and more confidence, more and more M's. This is what we call getting money. All right? You can see how low I'm going. We're at 130. 150. Not using the parallettes. It rained today. I wanted to actually do my 100 pull-up video with Chuck at the park, but it rained, then it got sunny. Then I got into doing other stuff. I deleted that video. I got a reel out of it, but I deleted it on accident. And this is also why I want to post to YouTube. I want to consistently, engage in creating content. I don't want to over push content. I just want to consistently create it, consistently. You know what I'm saying? And not take a break from it. I started Instagram while I was on the road. That was difficult, but I was posting to my Instagram consistently. When I got off the road, I recalibrated. Saint! I gotta check on this dog consistently, man. That's it. Shita. Campe. Shita. Campe. Desa. Campe. Campe. Gone. Grab 150. $170. Started to feel my wrist hurt right there. Started to feel my wrist hurt. Keep it simple, stupid, man. You do the same thing over and over, you're gonna get stronger. Stop letting boredom convince you that that's a thing. If you're bored, my opinion on boredom is you watching too much stuff. You're seeing too much stuff. You're watching too much and you're not doing enough. You know what I'm saying? I'm not bored, I'm doing push-ups. After this, I gotta shower. After this, I gotta take the dogs out. I'm recording this video. I gotta go edit it, review it. There's plenty to do. And then sometimes just sit there on the couch and do nothing. No TV, no phone, just sit there. Soak it in. You're not missing out on anything. Nothing you see on TikTok's gonna, chances are it's not gonna change your life forever. Not as much as getting out and meeting people. I want to be thinking about every life-changing thing that changed the trajectory of your awareness and your consciousness. And how many of those things came from like your phone and the internet versus meeting and connecting people in real life? Even if it was someone you saw on the phone and said, I'm gonna go meet that person, still meeting the person is what did it. And eventually you'll meet that person if you're on that course. But 170, man. Let's make it 200 right now with this 30 piece. Let's see what it do. I might go to the grass, man, because it's softer on the wrist. Heating up. Heating up. That means we're warmed up. Lay that down. And for my chest, so you know I'm touching something. Yeah, that counts. I'm not even gonna count those two. We're 200 in, so let me check the time. 200 in, 14 minutes. Let me plug my charger in. Make sure we're getting charged. All right, we're charged up. There we go. Hope I didn't lose y'all. So at this point, to get to 300, we'll do 4 sets of 25. So if you haven't started pushing with me now, let's get to 4 sets of 25. Drop in the comments, what's the max amount of push-ups you've ever done in a day or a sitting? What's your max on how long you can go without breaking? Let me check on sync real quick. That boy is always ready for action, bro. I went in the backyard, he's playing with his toy, he gets up. Who's there? Oh, let me not say that. All right, that was a good rest. Let's hit another 25. We're at 200. That lockout was a tad difficult, and talking will upset your recovery. I don't care right now because I'm making a video. I got plenty of days of these in the books. I'm just trying to beat the light. Don't have too much sunlight left. I know it's getting dark on the video. I got a light out here. Actually, I don't care. I'll turn the light on. So we're at 225. Because of that, we're actually making our way pretty fast. My last 200 video was like 17 minutes. I think I beat that by like 3. I said 4 sets of 25. If I was working out by myself, which I am, I'd go 20 right now just to get it out. But let's shoot for 25 again. Y'all see where I'm going. I don't need that. I got nothing to say. You getting a pump right now? Y'all getting a pump or what? Stop saying the simple stuff's easy. You can make anything hard. You can make anything hard. Like I said, 3 pillars. The holy trifecta. How intense can you do it? How often can you do it? And how fast or how long can you do it for? How fast can you do it or how long can you do it for? So intensity, frequency, duration. I don't know if I should separate speed and duration. What do y'all say? I laugh because I'm talking to a camera. I know I'm gonna post it on the internet, but I'm like talking to the future because nobody can see it right now. I just think it's funny. I can't help it. I can't help it. If you're conscious, you're gonna be self-conscious. You know what I'm saying? Let me see where we at on the time. Oh, we're at 2:50. If you thought I messed up the count, I did not. We are at 2:50. Let me lower this bad boy, get a better view. There we go. I pretty much have till right about there. Okay. Oh, let me see. Yeah, that blue cuff mark right here. So hopefully I'm low enough. My head space in there. I know I'm babying around this next 25. So that's recovery right there. You'll see, you can say I'm babying or what, but if you're following along, you know, just to let you know where you're at push-up wise. Saint! Oh my, I love this dog. Get it, Saint. Get it, Saint. Back. That's the one. That's the one. Like, maybe that's why he runs away with it. I don't run away with it. So, 275, probably 20 minutes in. Yeah, hopefully we're not in the 20s. Not that it means anything. 22, damn. I thought I did. I was gonna have 300 push-ups in under 30 minutes. Baby.
Were you on the phone?
Huh?
Were you on the phone?
No.
What are we doing?
Push-ups, I'm recording. 275.
Where's
I'm gonna do this. Saint's in the back. Saint! She said, where's Saint? It's the first time I called him, he didn't come out today. Saint!
Oh, God. We like you to push.
That's not the good one. That's in your car. Saint! Saint, up. That's funny. But perfect example, guys. You're working out, you got stuff to do, somebody comes out, boom, distraction. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I thought I was going for the real slap, huh? So, yeah, next push-up, we'll max out Crystalia. What is she doing?
I think I can do 100.
You think you can do 100? Y'all heard that? Drop in the comments if you want to see a girl do 100 push-ups.
Nah.
90 degrees. She's not chest to ground yet, so, but she's getting there. All right, guys, let's lock out this 300. Should be under 25 minutes. He came out because she called him from the inside.
Where'd he go?
He came around here and then he went back. What was he doing? He's in the back. You're not gonna see him from.
But just depending on where he is, I could see him.
He's right behind the wall. So we're at 300 under 30. We're pretty much doing 100 push-ups or 10 push-ups on the minute. So what I'll do from this point to get to 400, I could do 10 sets of 10. Video will be 35 minutes long, and I'll have done 400 push-ups for the day. But, you know, I don't think 10 will break me down. Muscle-wise, I got a pretty decent pump. Baby, turn on the lights for me. I had a pretty decent pump.
Money-wise.
Money-wise, pump-wise. Yeah. Let's get it. Ooh. I can't even stretch like I was stretching at the beginning because my triceps are like squeezing up against my lats. But this, you know, bad lighting. Oh, bad lighting. It's not about the lighting. It's not about the aesthetics. We're putting in work right now. If you worried about aesthetics, you're not putting in enough work. I mean, if the majority of what you do it for is for aesthetics, you know, that's only going to take you so far. Then you'll end up with body dysmorphia. Just go put in that work, man. Just go put in that work. It's okay to be a perfectionist, but perfect your craft, not your external accolades. Perfect your craft. All right, let's go, man. We're at 300. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can get done. Told y'all in my last video, man, like, you can comment on my dip form, even my pull-ups sometimes. But my push-ups, they're respectable. They may not be competition level, but they are respectable. There's a point in the workout in which you will break through this wall that you think you have, because right now, that's 320, I didn't miscount. Because right now, when I start repping, when I start the reps right now, it feels like I can't do anymore. But I just time under tension, slowly get the reps out, and I gain momentum, I gain speed. My muscles like, bro, we're done. And I'm like, well, if I'm really done, we'll fall, we'll collapse. But we haven't collapsed. You know what I'm saying? And until you really push these limits like this, you're not. It's very hard to tell other people to tell other people where their limits are. You don't even believe it because you don't know. But a lot of people have pushed their limits, man. I've been around those people. I've been fortunate enough to be around those people who could tell you like, no, your dog can go a little further. And I'm like, I don't know, man. It's easy to say that when it's not your dog. You should know your dog, but 1 second. It's a convertible, bro. Chill. It's a convertible Mustang. It's a convertible Mustang. I ain't coming for you, Tack. I ain't coming for you. All right, 325. Oh no, that was 320. 320. Let's move. Let's move. Oh boy. That was all lats. That was all lats on that last one. Damn! We had 340. We had 340. Saint! Vinny! Descend. Over here. Over here. That's up. Atta boy. So, unless y'all know where we at with it, I might as well move it over. You feel me? Let's get down low, man. Let's get down low with it. We in there, 31 minutes, 320 push-ups. Let's try to beat the 40-minute mark. I think I could do that. Now I could really go 10 on the minute. Let's go. Let me stop talking then. Let me stop talking. Woo. It makes it easier to finish on a 0 or 5 for the count. 2 more, I'm at 15. That'll put me at 35. That was a minor cheat. But check it out. I get into frame. I realize at this, when you pass that 300, approaching 350, variation, you can lean on it. You can lean on variation. Doesn't make you a cheater. It's still hard. That's like telling a runner, you can't cut. You gotta heels to butt, you know? No. We're going for endurance, man. We're trying to push ourselves. Don't trip about the form. As long as your back isn't dipping or arching, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, pretty much straight. So, I wonder if standing up is better. Get better blood flow this way, but it's whatever. We're at 335. We got at least 7 sets left, at most, hopefully. My basketball's done. I gotta pick up the scraps. Okay, if variation doesn't matter, do diamond or Saint. Telling y'all, telling y'all. You see me going faster as, attaboy. He's watching this car hard. Rewarding him for that. You see, as the workout progresses, or not the workout, the set progresses, you're like, oh, he's speeding up. He's holding gas in the tank. I can't go that fast at the beginning. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. But I am. I don't know. All right, that's 345. Let's get 355. Now let's just get to 350 and then we'll climb over the rest. I know, I'm like, you're like, bro, he's scraping by this 400 push-ups. Yeah, okay. I know what it is. I'm not gonna lie, it's momentum. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. At the bottom of the movement, you kind of bounce yourself back up. I don't know how. It's like a rolling stop sign. You know, when you come to a complete stop, you're not gonna get pulled over. Unless it's a crooked cop. But you're not gonna get pulled over. But if you like, you know what I'm saying? You're like, there's a moment in there. Obviously, I had to stop going forward because I went back. But I rolled it. You know what I'm saying? I rolled it on their phone. So that's 360 because I'm good at math. I pulled 15 out of there. Still resting. You know, give me tips for the long distance rest push-ups, man. I know the people probably who do more than this ain't watching this, but if you know tips for them long reps and the rest periods, besides not talking, I understand the breathing is a big portion. But this is an admirable workout. After this, I'm gonna curl those kettlebells over there because I want bigger biceps, but you know, I gotta eat more too. I'm not really eating more than 1,500 calories a day, 17. Between 1,000 and 2,000. But let's just say 14,000 a week is what you should be eating if you want to be a good size at my height. A week, I'm really sitting at about between 10 and 12,500 calories for the week. You can measure it by the week really, because you can fast one day and then eat 4,000 calories the next day. So going by that day-to-day stuff, you know what I'm saying? You can easily eat 4,000 in a day. All right, let's stop talking. Start working. 360. Shoot for 370. See what happens. Trying to keep them arms straight, man, and those legs. I know on that 18th rep, my hams gave out. I was just pushing them. Your whole body is a unit. And when you're doing something holistically, you can't do push-ups without every part of your body. From head to toe. I don't care what nobody says. If you want to keep that core straight, you have to, it may be minimal, but at the higher reps, when this starts getting weak, your legs are gonna pick up that slack. You know, I was a long time ago, man, when I was young. I was in the Navy. I was young. And we'll take a deck of cards. Y'all know that game. You slap them down. It's 52 cards, you know. All face cards are 10, apparently. I think the Ace of Spades or the Joker was 20. I can't remember, but you go shot for shot. You and the other person just doing push-ups back to back to back. But even then, you want a whole deck, we go back and forth. You know, it's not like we'll go through the deck once, but even just doing that, you get tired. But nothing like this, nothing to where my legs started failing. I'm not getting old. I'm going towards my peak. We're at 41 minutes. Damn. I missed it, bro. I missed it. We'll hit it under 45, 400 push-ups under 45 minutes. I feel like if I did 10 on the minute, I might be able to get there, but you know, we resting and talking and BSing. We're at 380. Let's scoop this up, man. 2, 3. You just Chewy McChew, huh? Ripping the vine off my watermelon. Saw that lean with it, rock. We're done, guys. 400 push-ups, under 45 minutes. Got a dude from down the street. I'm telling you, bro, best watermelons I've had in my life. It'll never be like the South. Never been a drummer, but I should have done the video with this watermelon, but we're done. 400 reps, nothing left to be said. Stay disciplined, stay intentional. I'll leave you with that quote from Cats again. Hold on, let me think about it. Under pressure, you don't rise to the occasion. You fall to the level of your training. Stay disciplined, stay intentional.